The Image Beauty Festival is the first of its kind in Ireland. It is a weekend in May dedicated to nothing but beauty, hair, makeup, aesthetics, and all the things that we absolutely love around the industry. The Image Beauty Festival takes place at the Point Square in Dublin on Saturday the 25th of May and Sunday the 26th of May, and we have a full calendar of events on both days from early morning till late at night. We have an amazing lineup of talent for the Image Beauty Festival, and the best thing about it is that it just keeps on growing. We're especially thrilled to be announcing international makeup artist Patrick Ta will do his first ever Irish masterclass. He does red carpet looks for everyone from Chrissy Teigen to Kardashians to the Hadid sisters, so he has loads to share. International hairdresser Adam Reid will be joining us, international facialist Nicola Joss will be joining us, and then on the Irish stages we have everyone from makeup artists Michelle Ragazzoli and Christine Luginano to hairdresser David Cashman, and Vogue Williams is popping in from London to see us. If you're absolutely mad about beauty, hair, makeup, great skin and the world around it, we have all the key players and the most brilliant brands. Tickets for the Image Beauty Festival are available now at image.ie.